I'm going to replace the plastic RAV4 engine cover with this new part from a car guy's garage in Canada. As with the last package, it came with a business card, a thank you card, and a handwritten note from Zenon. Derek, thank you for the continued support. I hope you love this prototype. I'm sure I will. Alright, let's get it unpacked. Safely inside is my new coil pack cover. I'll put a link to it in the video description below. I had to remove the 14mm front strut mount nut and loosen the back nut on both sides so I could lift my strut bar up just enough to work the plastic cover out from underneath, something I won't miss having to do again. I already have the 10mm nut off, so all that's left is the ball stud. I'm using a normal socket with an extension loosely inserted so I don't have to run back inside and get my deep socket. The new coil pack cover mounts here, and it has a cutout for the second coil pack harness wires. I installed the cover underneath the wire harness protector as recommended, but even with it unbolted on both sides, the plastic still cracked when I tried to lift it up. I'm going to replace it and then see about mounting the cover differently. I'll put a link to the wire harness protector and its cover in the video description below in case you've cracked yours. I'm going to mount the cover on top instead, but I'll need a spacer here. You can use some thick washers, but I'm going to use the spacer that I made from the broken tab from the old harness protector. Perfect. The only problem is that the spacer could get lost when the ball stud is removed, so I'm going to make one more modification to the install. I'm going to replace this ball stud with this normal stud that I ordered from the dealership. This is the same stud that's holding the wire harness protector in place, along with this flange nut. There we go. I didn't have the proper socket, so I just used pliers to tighten it up. Now I can place my spacer on top and not have to worry about it falling off. The new stud and spacer make it much easier to install and remove the coil pack cover now. As with his other products, you can get this completely customized. If you haven't hit subscribe to my channel yet, please do so now, and as always, thank you for watching.